Breaking news radio blog. Sierra Blanca, Texas. According to the last official news, Snoop Dogg was arrested for marijuana possession last weekend in Texas. The singer was busted when his tour bus was stopped at a border patrol checkpoint in Sierra Blanca. When on board, the drug-sniffing dog recognized the smell of marijuana in the back of the tour bus and alerted Border Patrol officers to a possible hit. A further check of the officers has led to the discovery of several joints hidden inside a bottle. Snoop admitted the drug belonged to him, and after the citation for misdemeanor drug possession, he has been released. A leopard can't change its spots. Breaking news radio blog.